Hello everyone, good evening. Once again, welcome to Vedic Astrology. I have been a bit tardy for the last couple of months, but we are all human, we all have our issues to deal with. But as I've told people, I am a seed and I grow wherever I am planted. And this is a new janam, this is a new life, this is a new opportunity that we must all embrace when given to us by Bhagwan. So that here I am with a new life, with a new opportunity, with a new janam, bringing to you the message that speaks to me through the cards, and I hope to you when we sort this out. I'm doing a quick reading for all trines. As usual, I start off with the fire trine, Aries, Leo, and Sagittarius, and it's going to be a quick reading. And there is the card falling out, and it's the Ace of Swords. The Ace of Swords fell out, but we'll leave that there to see why the Ace of Swords fell out. And let us cut the cards to take our past, present, and future reading. And the past for Aries, Leo, and Sagittarius comes with the Knight of Swords, the Page of Wands, and the Four of Wands. So the Knight of Swords in the past will tell you, the knights are always messengers or somebody in training. And here we have, this person probably running behind a runaway vehicle, a runaway mode of transportation. Is it that some sort of mode of transportation got away from you? Did you seek to purchase a new vehicle? Did you seek to go on a cruise or on a boat ride and it just got away from you in the past? What does this Knight of Swords tell you? And the Knight of Swords tells you that you were probably trying to have a lifestyle change. You were running for something that you couldn't reach. You were running towards something that was just out of your reach, always out of your reach. And you had some baggage because there is this bow and arrow on your back that probably you could have, probably shoot straight. But now you can't because something's probably got in your way in the past that Saturn delayed, because this is a crow. This is a crow there. And we all know in astrology that the vehicle that Saturn rides, Lord Shani, is a crow. And Saturn always delays. He puts obstacles in your way, not because he wants you to fail, but because he wants you to learn. And is it that you were reaching for something that you did not deserve or that you shouldn't get at this time, that you wouldn't be able to handle? Was that what happened in the past? And it brings you to the present with the Page of Wands. And the page is another trainee, someone in trainee. And the Page of Wands talks about new projects or creative ideas, because you always want to take action, you always want to move forward. And you probably still in the past, dwelling a little bit in the past, because you have seen something that you want and you're running towards it, but you just can't seem to get it. So in the present, it's still on your mind and you are coming up with creative ideas as to how to get that. But you see, that's a sword. Even though it's a Page of Wands, that rod can also be utilized as a sword, as something to cut, something to keep people away, something to probably put obstacles towards your dream. But you're still thinking about the past. You have not accepted your present, that's out of your reach. And you should think more creatively about something else, because the future holds the Four of Wands. And the Four of Wands is all about homecoming, celebrations, family, friends, reunion. It's for you to be happy. So if you hang on to the past, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, your creativity in the present may not be given full rein. And it's telling you here that you need to be a little more creative. Dance to the present tune. Don't dance and seek things that were out of your reach in the past. Don't do that to yourself. Four of Wands is telling you there's celebration, there's reunion, it's family. Think along those lines. Probably they would be able to help you reach the goal that you were seeking in the past, that you couldn't get a hold of. You still had baggage on your back, even though it's a bow and an arrow, you know, that you weren't able to shoot it because you're not holding it in front of you. You are just concentrating on that vehicle in front. You are just concentrating on what is in front you and not what you have. But Saturn has delayed that to an extent. And let us see what the moon, what your mental faculty is telling you for this. You know, it's just to give you a little rounding as to how you should be thinking. But remember, we also have the Ace of Swords, which fell out. And the Ace of Swords is new ideas, new, clarity that you need to seek. It's a mental clarity. And it's all about you. You see that light going straight to your mind, to your head, that light, that divine light going to your mental clarity. So you need to think. Definitely that falls there. But let's see what the moon cards say, because that card, and as you see, it fell out. It just fell out because it had something extra to tell you. So the moon card is telling us that the moon is in Taurus. And now is a time for focusing on finances and practical matters. So focus on finances and practical matters, because whatever you were chasing in the past probably is out of your reach because of finances, because you didn't have the finances to purchase or to seek it or to clear the pathway to get it. So you didn't get it. You now have to be creative. You have to have mental clarity. You have to have mental clarity. And Taurus is a stable sign. It's an earth sign. So you must bring stability to your finances, to your mental self, to how you think, before you can get the celebration in the future. Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, this is your reading. Until we meet again.